Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can convert your Lazada wallet into GCash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Lazada app, and once you tap on Lazada app, you need to simply tap on your account section to activate your Lazada wallet. So once you have followed all the process and activated your Lazada wallet, all you need to do now is simply go to your Lazada checkout page and select view all methods. Once you tap on it, you need to now select your GCash eWallet that is under the wallet section of Lazada. Once you do this, you need to now enter your GCash number and tap on the next button. After this, simply enter the 6-digit authentication code sent to your registered mobile number and tap next. After doing this, you need to simply log in into your GCash account and tap authorize. Once you are done, you can convert Lazada wallet in GCash. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.